Today we're making cauliflower cheese bake. One of my ultimate favorites. When I was growing up, my grandfather would have barbecues and my grandmother would make this on the side and it just went so well with barbecued chicken. So first you want to chop your cauliflower to bite-sized pieces and then soak it in water for about 10 minutes and then transfer it into a pot. Bring it to a boil. Add some salt and boil it for about 10 minutes and then strain. Now melt some butter in a pan and add an equal amount of flour. You can use wheat flour, any kind of all-purpose flour is perfect. And then start stirring on medium-high heat. What you want is for it to start clumping up, something like this, and then keep cooking until it turns brown. And then you want to add milk. You can add milk little by little or all at once, and it would be so much easier if you had a whisk. I don't, so I'm just gonna keep doing this with this plastic spatula. But what you want to do is keep stirring it until it forms a thick sauce like this. Now add some nutmeg powder, salt and pepper, and keep on stirring. And then preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Place cooked cauliflower in a baking dish and then pour your sauce all over it. And then here comes my favorite part. Liberally sprinkle cheddar cheese on top. Liberally, okay? Be generous, don't be shy. This is not the time to think about your health. Put it in the oven and let it cook for about, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. As long as the top is golden brown, you're set to go. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.